The DJI Mini 5 Pro is the latest addition to DJI's popular lineup of drones, and it's designed specifically for aerial photography enthusiasts. With this new model, DJI has taken things a step further by packing more advanced features into a highly portable design. Whether you're an experienced drone pilot or just getting started, the DJI Mini 5 Pro promises to offer a unique experience for capturing stunning photos and videos from the sky. Design. One of the standout features of the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its impressive portability. DJI has made this drone more compact than previous models by giving it a foldable design, allowing it to be easily packed away when not in use. Whether you're traveling, hiking, or just heading out for a quick shoot, the ability to fold it up into a small size makes it incredibly convenient. This means you can take it almost anywhere without worrying about bulky equipment, making it a go-to choice for on-the-go aerial photography. Another significant improvement in the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its enhanced wind resistance. This feature allows the drone to perform better in windy conditions, providing greater stability during flights. Whether you're flying along the coast or capturing sweeping landscapes in less than ideal weather, this wind resistance makes the Mini 5 Pro easier to control. This means fewer worries about losing your shot due to unexpected gusts of wind. It's perfect for those outdoor adventures where nature might throw a few challenges your way. Camera capabilities. The camera on the DJI Mini 5 Pro has received significant upgrades, making it a powerful tool for capturing high-quality images and videos. It can shoot in stunning 4K resolution at an impressive rate of up to 100 frames per second. This capability allows users to capture ultra-smooth footage and vibrant photos with incredible detail. Whether you're filming a breathtaking sunset or capturing dynamic action shots, the Mini 5 Pro's camera ensures that you won't miss a moment. This makes it a fantastic option for content creators looking to elevate their aerial photography game. Pricing. The expected price range for the DJI Mini 5 Pro is between $750 and $800. This price point positions it competitively in the market for high-quality drones. Considering the advanced features and capabilities it offers, many enthusiasts and professionals may find this investment worthwhile. With its combination of portability, improved performance, and upgraded camera, the Mini 5 Pro delivers excellent value for those looking to capture stunning aerial shots without breaking the bank. In conclusion, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is an outstanding choice for anyone looking to capture high-quality aerial photos and videos. Its portability makes it easy to take on any adventure, while the improved wind resistance ensures stable flights in challenging conditions. With its upgraded camera capabilities, users can shoot stunning 4K footage at up to 100 frames per second, making it perfect for professional-level content creation. At a price range of $750 to $800, it offers impressive features that cater to both hobbyists and serious photographers alike. The Mini 5 Pro is sure to elevate your aerial photography experience and help you capture breathtaking moments from above.